Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to change a page URL in Elementor. This is useful when you want to update your site's structure, improve SEO, or simply make your links more descriptive and user-friendly. Let's walk through this process step by step. First, log into your WordPress dashboard. This is where you'll manage all aspects of your website, including pages and their URLs. Once you're in, look at the left sidebar and click on Pages, then select All Pages. This will display a complete list of all the pages currently on your website. Next, find the page whose URL you want to change. Hover your mouse over the page title, and you'll see several options appear beneath it. Click on Quick Edit. This opens a simplified editing interface that lets you make changes without entering the full page editor. In the Quick Edit panel, locate the field labeled slug. This is the part of your URL that comes after your domain name. Type your new slug into this field. For example, if you want to change your About page, you might type something like about-new-link-1. Keep it simple, descriptive, and use hyphens instead of spaces. Once you've entered your new slug, click the Update button to save your permalink change. This updates the page's URL in WordPress, but there's one more crucial step to ensure everything works smoothly across your Elementor-designed pages. Now click on Elementor in the left sidebar, then select Tools. This takes you to Elementor's built-in utilities that help maintain your site's integrity when making structural changes. Within the Tools section, click on the Replace URL tab. This feature is essential because it updates all instances of the old URL throughout your Elementor content, preventing broken links and ensuring consistency across your site. In the first field, type the full old URL of your page. Make sure to include the entire address, starting with http:// or https://, followed by your domain name and the old slug. In the second field, type the full new URL with the updated slug you just created. Again, include the complete address with the protocol and domain name. Finally, click the Replace URL button. Elementor will scan your site and show you the number of affected rows, which tells you how many instances of that URL were found and updated. Confirm this action to complete the process. And that's it. You've successfully changed your page URL in Elementor and ensured all your links remain functional. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.